Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Ryobi 18v flashlight bulb is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for any DIYer or outdoor enthusiast who relies on their Ryobi tools, ensuring your workspace is always illuminated, whether you're tackling a late-night project in the garage, navigating a power outage, or exploring the great outdoors. This critical part guarantees that your trusty Ryobi flashlight continues to shine brightly when you need it most. Number 5. LED Flashlight Bulb Upgrade, 18V, 6-24V. Tired of dim, yellow light? Upgrade your flashlight with this powerful LED bulb. It provides a bright, daylight white illumination for better visibility. This versatile bulb is designed to fit a wide range of flashlights. It's compatible with popular brands like Ryobi, Milwaukee, Craftsman, and DeWalt, operating on 18V to 24V systems. Upgrading your flashlight is simple. Just unscrew the head, replace the old bulb with the new LED, and reassemble. No special tools are needed. Experience a significant improvement in brightness with its 200 lumen output. This LED bulb shines much brighter than traditional incandescent bulbs, making your tasks easier. Ensure correct installation by checking the polarity. This bulb has a negative ring and positive tip. Incorrect polarity can cause short circuits and overheating. Enjoy reliable and long-lasting performance with this LED upgrade. Its efficient design ensures it will light your way for many uses to come. What we like. This bulb offers a wide voltage compatibility, making it a versatile choice for many brands. If you are looking for a bright, daylight-like illumination to replace a dim incandescent bulb, this is a great option. Its straightforward installation means you can upgrade your flashlight's performance in minutes. What people say. The bulb is a direct replacement and works perfectly. It provides a bright light, making it easy to see in dark areas. The bulb fits the Ryobi 18V flashlight without any issues. Number 4. Jomitop 18V LED Flashlight Bulb Upgrade. Tired of dim, yellow light from your old flashlight? Introducing a powerful LED upgrade that will transform your lighting experience. It's designed to be a perfect replacement for your existing bulbs. Experience the difference with pure white light and a high lumen output. This bright LED bulb shines much better than traditional incandescent bulbs, illuminating your path clearly. This versatile bulb is designed to work with a wide range of flashlights, including those from Milwaukee, Ryobi, Craftsman, DeWalt, and Black + Decker. It's perfect for 18V, 19.2V, and 24V systems. Simply replace your old bulb with this new LED version. Remember to check the polarity, it has a negative ring and positive tip, to ensure proper fitment in your flashlight. Enjoy long-lasting and reliable performance with this high-power LED upgrade. It's built to last, providing you with consistent bright light whenever you need it. Whether it's for your mag light, bike light, torch, work light, or any other flashlight, this LED bulb is the ideal solution. It enhances visibility for all your lighting tasks. What we like. With a high lumen output and a reputation for being long-lasting, this bulb is designed for reliability. If you need a dependable light source for extended use or demanding tasks, this upgrade is a solid choice. Its compatibility with various voltages means it can likely fit your existing flashlight. What people say. The bulb is a direct replacement and works perfectly. It provides a bright, focused beam of light, making it easy to see in dark areas. The bulb is durable and has a long lifespan, so you won't have to replace it often. Number 3. YAFIYGI LED Flashlight Bulb Replacement Kit. This bulb is designed to fit a wide range of devices. It's perfect for your flashlights, work lights, and even bicycle lights. Experience brilliant, pure white light that cuts through darkness. It offers a much brighter and clearer illumination compared to older bulbs. Enjoy reliable performance with this durable bulb. It's built to last for an estimated 50,000 hours, providing consistent brightness. Simply replace your old bulb with this new one. Just ensure the positive and negative terminals match your flashlight's requirements before ordering. We stand by the quality of our product. If you encounter any issues, please reach out to us for a prompt and satisfactory resolution. What we like. This option boasts Cree LED technology for superior brightness and an impressive 50,000-hour lifespan. If you prioritize maximum illumination and a bulb that will last for years, this is the one to consider. It's perfect for those who use their flashlights frequently and demand top-tier performance. What people say. This bulb is a perfect fit for my Ryobi 18v flashlight. It provides a bright and clear light, making it easy to see in dark areas. The bulb was easy to install and works great. Number 2. Podoy 780287001 18v flashlight bulb, 2-pack. Introducing the Podoy 780287001 flashlight bulb, designed to provide bright, flicker-free illumination. It's perfect for a variety of lighting needs, ensuring you can see clearly. Crafted with high-quality glass and a durable filament, this bulb is built for longevity. You can rely on its strong durability for extended use. Replacing your old bulb is a breeze. It installs quickly and easily without the need for any extra tools, saving you time and effort. This bulb is compatible with Ryobi, Rigid, and Craftsman 18v flashlights. Please ensure it fits your specific tool before purchasing. It serves as a direct replacement for part number 780287001. Get a pack of 2 and keep your flashlight powered up. Experience stable brightness and a uniform light output with every use. This bulb is designed to meet your lighting demands reliably. What we like. This bulb is designed for stable, flicker-free brightness and strong durability, ensuring a consistent light output. If you have a Ryobi, Rigid, or Craftsman 18v flashlight and want a direct, reliable replacement, this is an excellent fit. It's built for longevity and ease of use. What people say. This bulb is a perfect fit for my Ryobi 18v flashlight. It provides a bright and clear light, making it easy to see in dark areas. The bulb was easy to install and works as expected. Number 1. Podoy 3W18v LED flashlight bulb for Ryobi. This is the perfect replacement bulb for your Ryobi flashlight. It directly replaces the original bulb and is compatible with models P704, P700, and P703. Experience enhanced performance with this 18V LED bulb. It offers 150 lumens of cool white light and boasts a lifespan of over 30,000 hours, significantly outlasting the original. Enjoy a wider and brighter illumination with a 320 degrees beam angle. Its high CRI ensures true color visibility, making it ideal for various conditions. Installation is a breeze thanks to its P13.5S base that fits securely. It's compatible with a range of lights, including Ryobi flashlights and work lights. This package includes 2 LED bulbs, designed for your flashlight needs. Please note that this part is not affiliated with Ryobi. What we like. Featuring a wider beam angle and high CRI for true color visibility, this bulb offers a more comprehensive and accurate illumination. If you need to light up a larger area with better color rendition, this upgrade is ideal. Its extended lifespan also makes it a cost-effective choice for frequent users. What people say. The bulb is a direct replacement and works perfectly. It provides a bright light, making it easy to see in dark areas. The bulb fits the Ryobi 18V flashlight without any issues. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.